Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download and install OneNote app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Very easy. Go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. We will download and install OneNote app through Windows Store. Here in search field type OneNote and choose OneNote app. Here OneNote app, Microsoft Corporation, click on install. Getting ready, preparing for download, wait. After installing, a pop-up window will appear, choose yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your system? Choose yes and let the window complete the downloading process of OneNote app in your Windows 11 system. It will take some time. Wait, and once successfully downloaded, follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading process. Once download complete, click on open. And OneNote app will now open. If you must ensure that your Microsoft account duly signed in. First, sign in with your Microsoft account and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system and use it. That's all.